Hey, it's Back Your Bachelor, back for episode 3. We're gonna start this first part of the video with learning how to rim a glass properly. So there are two ways. The first one is taking a lime wheel and just gently going against the rim of the glass. Not that difficult, as you can see, and you just rotate. I like this, it's okay, but my preferred method is taking the wheel itself, or a lime or lemon wedge, and just gently going across the rim of it. Get a little bit more even, it's less messy, and I think it's just easier to do. I mean, and always there's more cleanup at the end if you need it. Now with it lightly limed up, or lemoned up in this case, we're gonna go at an angle. I've got about equal halves cocoa powder and cinnamon. We're just gonna go gently across at an angle and rotate till we have a nice even coating. Of course, if there's some, mess ups here and there, you can always take a paper towel and just wipe it off. The next stage is we're going to go for the cocktail itself. The Whiskey C&C Tart. This is going to be a great whiskey-based drink for your holidays. Twist. For this, I started doing this with a friend over the week and then just dialed it in because it was just a fun one. So we're going to start with Bulleit Bourbon, my favorite. 2 ounces of that to start. Like a ½ ounce to 3/4 of an ounce of Kahlua, nicely. About a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, as well as, to top it all off, 3 to 4 ounces of milk and the cold cocktail shaker. And then we're gonna shake really, really well and just keep shaking it. We just want it to be a frothy drink at the end. It's gonna taste fantastic. And after it's shaken, we're gonna get our chilled rimmed glass and pour. But look at that beautiful contrast between the cinnamon cocoa powder rim and the milk feature. But hey, it's pretty cool to see. It's a holiday themed drink. But hey, let's take a drink. Damn, that is nice. The cinnamon hits you really well. Cocoa powder hits you really well. Hope everybody has a wonderful holiday season and see you next week, church. Until then, Yamas.